What's good with y'all? It's your boy Wayne the Great. I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be going to a studio with the boy Louis. We're gonna be doing just an easy photo shoot. I'm gonna bring y'all along for a ride. For this summer, we're gonna be doing. I say we're going to post 3 times a week, so expect music videos, vlogs, tutorials, a whole bunch of stuff. Don't get mad at me if I don't get all 3. You know how to be with the YouTube grind. But we're gonna hit 1,000 subs this summer. That is the goal. So if you're creative or somebody who's just trying to make some money this summer, I'm definitely gonna be the YouTuber for you. So stick around for a good time and a long time. See y'all when we get there. Before we continue with the rest of the video, make sure you stick to the end of the video so I can teach y'all how to make money this summer with photography and make some more connections, as well as show y'all the pictures from this photo shoot, because I'm gonna save most of them for the end so we can go over them in my room. See y'all until then. Alright, we here. I thought it was gonna be a studio, but I think it's in the dude's crib up here, something like that. So I'm finna hop out, meet the dude. I ain't met him before, so I'll record that in a second. Louis, right?
Like speed race, walk in the building, they know that this my face. Yo, fit out there to show my space. You ain't dripped out, then you know not to be all in my space. She want me now, but it's too late.
Oh, in here? What's your name?
Rubio.
Rubio? Wayne. Nice to meet y'all.
I got you on Snapchat.
Bet. Right now I'm telling him to move all this shit out the way so we can get like a... I think I'm gonna get a couple like that. And then I'll probably get him to sit in this chair right here. And then probably do both of those shots. Yeah, but I fuck with the lighting here. This shit look cool, cause it's like, it just drip. Hey, take your hat off actually. These next couple pictures. Yeah, here, I'll take that off. Yeah, you should get some LED lights in here. I feel like it add a little extra vibe to it at nighttime especially. Yeah, right there, right there. Ooh, turn more, yeah, right there. More some show photography. I was trying to pop out to the last show, but you know, bullshit happened. Yeah. That hoe was a movie, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, yeah, just post up. You ain't gotta sit on it and just like post up in front of this. Yeah, right there is cool. Yeah, that's a hard shot. Let me get this right here. Alright, boys. We done with the shoot. I got a little bit of content for like TikTok and that. I didn't record too much. You know, it's kind of hard to record because I'm the one-man army type. So, yeah, we done. But man, I drove so far. But I mean, this is really you gotta nurture these relationships and stuff like that to grow in the game. Because you know, if you charge all the time, people do not want to work with you, and you're not in demand. So it's important to do these free shoots and type stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna see y'all in my room, and then we can wrap the video up. Maybe we'll go over a couple pictures, editing, stuff like that. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hello there. Welcome to the end of the video. If you're new, you don't know how we do things, I usually go through my pictures at the end of the video like this. This is just one of the pictures I edited from the end of the video, and then here's a couple more that I didn't throw in here. You feel me? So those are the pictures for the video, but I know you came here because you want to learn how to make some money fast with photography. So if you're interested in that, keep watching the video. So basically, the best way to go about making money fast with photography is DMing a whole bunch of people in the area who are looking for photo shoots. For anybody like that, you want to go on Instagram first, and then wherever city you're at, you want to search for me, I live in Austin, Texas, so I would search ATX rappers, ATX rap scene, ATX models, or anything like that, right? And you pull up the hashtag, and then you can go through the hashtag and you can find artists and rappers like that. You send them a DM, you say, hey, I want to work for free, I want to get some work in, blah blah blah, and you go through this a couple times. You might have to shoot for free 2 or 3 times, but those people, if you do a good job, they'll tell people, and then when people come to you, that's when you can finally charge for your service, and then you can make money And it's always really good to do this because it also helps build your portfolio out. So if you're a new photographer and you don't have much experience in the area, and you need to build a portfolio for people to come look at your pictures, this is a very smart thing to do. You gotta do some free work sometimes, and those free works will get you those high-paying jobs, I promise you. So work for like 1 month. I know that sounds crazy, fast money, blah blah blah. Fast money does not come by very often. You can do these free shoots. I usually, what I do is I say I'll offer my services, and then if I'm in a position to leverage and say, hey, I'm not gonna charge you for these pictures, but if you want to pay for them, you can pay for them, stuff like that. So you be put in a position where you can get paid, but often you want to focus on getting your name out there more and focus on that aspect rather than getting a quick buck. But if you're interested in a quick buck, you can still make sure, you can still say, hey, I can shoot these pictures, but I can't do them for free, but I'll give you a really cheap rate. Because people don't want to spend large amounts of money on short notice, especially if you're working with artists and stuff like that. So you have to make sure you're providing a whole lot more value than just like, oh hey, like I want to do you a photo shoot. Like people, they're not going to think, oh, I should give this dude $400 for a photo shoot just because he hit me up today on Instagram. So you have to come with small packages saying like, hey, I'll give you $100 shoot, or you can say you do it for free, then if you like the pictures you can pay me. So I recommend both of those. Buy it. If it's not, it's not. But you always have to make sure you reach out in order to get the opportunity, because people are not always going to DM you first. You have to remember that. And so you won't eat if open. Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna think on it. Closed mouths do not get fed. So you have to be on the hunt all the time to make sure you get more money coming in. What's good with y'all? It's the end of the video. I'm glad that y'all have made it. I appreciate y'all a whole lot. If I look busted tonight, it's because it is 4:32 a.m. and I am working on a YouTube video for y'all because I am very determined to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I want to be able to make some good content for y'all that I'm proud about and make sure I get some good help. So I'm gonna be making a whole lot of different type of content. So let me know what y'all want to see during the summer. I'm going to have a whole lot of different videos, more tutorials like this. Like I want to drop editing tutorials on like how to edit videos and pictures, maybe some editing, maybe some just more how to make money tips, stuff like that. But if you're interested, make sure you just press the subscribe button. If you like the video today, like and comment and let me know what y'all want to see me do next. Peace out, and then shout out to Louis for the video today.